Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to automatically adjust width of columns in Excel. When you open your Excel document, you can see that the cells have different sizes. To adjust them automatically, click on the top corner to select the entire range. Then, double-click on the union of the columns. This will automatically adjust the columns. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.